Have you ever looked at your savings account and wondered why it's barely growing? Most people think putting money in any HYSA is enough, but a few small mistakes can quietly destroy your interest every single month. The first mistake is ignoring online-only banks. Many stick to traditional banks that offer pitiful rates, while online options quietly deliver 5 times more interest. The second mistake: ignoring rate alerts. Promotions appear and disappear fast, and missing them can cost you hundreds of dollars without warning. The third mistake is choosing accounts with hidden fees or slow compounding. Even a small fee or daily interest delay can quietly eat away at your growth. And the fourth, this one shocks most people, is waiting too long to act on a good rate. A week's delay could mean losing the extra hundreds you could have earned. Avoiding these mistakes could mean your HYSA works as hard as you do. Apply these steps today and watch your savings grow faster than most people ever will. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit like, comment your thoughts or questions, and subscribe so you don't miss more tips to grow your money smarter than everyone else.